Tired of being randomly redirected to unwanted websites while just trying to browse the internet? Let's squash those annoying Chrome redirects in just a minute and a half. First, we need to reset Chrome settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. In the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, look to the left side of the screen and click on Advanced to expand more options. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Reset and Cleanup. Now, select Reset Settings to their original defaults. This will disable any problematic extensions and clear temporary data. Then click Reset Settings to confirm. Next, let's disable suspicious extensions. Type Chrome extensions into your address bar and press Enter. Carefully review the list of installed extensions. If you find any extensions you don't recognize or haven't installed yourself, click the Remove button next to them. Finally, let's clear your browsing data. Go back to the main settings page and click on Privacy and Security. Then click on Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Set the time range to all time for a complete clean, then click Clear Data. And that's it. You've successfully tackled random redirects in Chrome. Enjoy a smoother, safer browsing experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.